I'm Professor Angus Wallace, Chair of the Conference Organising Committee for the UK Faculty of Clinical Informatics. Clinical informatics has now become an essential part of the delivery of NHS healthcare in the UK. Many people are carrying out valuable work in this field, and there are many innovative projects that we are keen to hear about. At our first scientific conference in London on 14th May this year, we have allocated 9 presenter slots for scientific papers selected from abstracts submitted to us by 20th January. We want to hear about your research and innovation, so please email us your abstracts. In addition to podium presentations, we have space allocated for 20 posters, and these can be presented either as conventional posters or as a PowerPoint or in video format of your choosing. Please share your ideas, your research and your innovation with us so we can learn about all the new developments in England, Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland. The closing date is 20th January this year. Send your abstracts in as soon as possible. Our conference should be awarded 7 CPD points, and I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.